The global threat of superbugs, otherwise known as antimicrobial resistance or AMR, took center stage on Capitol Hill this week as lawmakers and health and biotech experts discussed ways to ensure the ongoing development of novel life-saving antimicrobial medicines. AMR is the third leading cause of death in the United States, and hospital-acquired drug-resistant infections and deaths jumped 15% during the COVID-19 pandemic alone.
3 million Americans this year will get some type of an antimicrobial resistant superbug this year. 100 Americans will die today, 100 will die tomorrow, and every day this year from some type of a resistant bug.
The only answer is to act now. We need a whole-of-government approach to prevent the next public health emergency.
Christine Ann Miller, president and CEO of biomember Melinta Therapeutics, said Congress must step in to help innovators by passing policies that will reform the marketplace for antimicrobial medicines.
We also do not have an approval problem. Congress already enacted a policy to streamline regulatory approval for antimicrobials. Companies are getting innovative products approved, but are failing after launch. What we do have is a commercial marketplace problem that is fundamentally unique to antimicrobials, driven by reimbursement and access challenges. As a result, many biotech companies run out of money in the quest to provide patients with access to life-saving therapies. Unless we see changes to the post-approval side of the equation, the ability to bring these products to patients remain in jeopardy.
In other words, the way that the federal government currently pays for antimicrobials fails to drive appropriate use or innovation, and as a result of this broken marketplace, many antimicrobial developers are often forced to abandon their projects, leaving promising new superbug killers languishing in the lab, or worse, failing after they reach FDA approval.
And so this is an everyday person's problem. It's not something that's in the future to be a problem for families and our loved ones. It's a today problem for folks. So what I would definitely like for everyone to walk away from today's discussion is to really understand that AMR is a threat to us, to our society, to our medical and healthcare system, that we need to have adequate development and ongoing innovation in the space to ensure that we will be able to save patients' lives. We need to see reforms in reimbursement. We need to see incentives like the PASTEUR Act be put in place so that all of the development, all the public-private partnerships that are happening today actually have a place to land and that patients can get the life-saving medicines that they need.
AMR remains a silent killer in hospitals every day, and every year we wait to address this crisis is another year more patients are at risk for losing their lives. This is Bio.News.